Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking essentials. Confirm your iPhone has a recent iOS and at least 20% battery so updates and resets can complete. Next, open Settings Bluetooth and toggle it off. Wait 5 seconds, then toggle back on to force a soft reinitialize. Once done, perform a quick restart. Hold the side and volume button, slide to power off, wait 10 seconds, and turn the phone back on. This clears transient software states that often block pairing. Now focus on pairing and device cleanup. If the accessory appears but won't connect, tap the I button next to it in Bluetooth and choose Forget this device. Then attempt pairing again so you get a fresh handshake. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear cached connections, remembering this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Also, put the phone in airplane mode and manually re-enable Bluetooth, so you reduce interference from Wi-Fi and cellular radios during the pairing process. Finish with advanced repairs. Check Settings General Software Update and install any iOS updates because fixes often target Bluetooth stacks. If updates and resets fail, back up and try restoring your iPhone from a backup or set it up as new to rule out a user-level configuration issue. Make sure to test with a second Bluetooth accessory. If that accessory works, the problem is the original device. Otherwise, contact Apple support or visit a service provider for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.